Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video on the 7artisans EF to SE Sony E mount adapter for Canon lenses. So this one here, I've got another video up for the unboxing of it anyway, so if you want to check out the exact details on it, there it is. This is it here on the Sony ZV-E10. I think a lot of you guys are using the same camera, so we're just going to do a quick run through of the adapter. This is an old Sigma 17 to 50. It's about 12 years old. It's a little bit noisy, as you can see, so we'll fire it up and start doing the test. So that's autofocus on and stabilization on. It's a manual zoom, so there's no zoom options for that. As you can hear, it's quite loud at autofocusing. But that is the lens, not necessarily the adapter. So we'll just take a few shots. Okay, so just for comparison, we'll put the same lens on the old Canon that I was using, just so you can see that noise is actually from the lens, not from the adapter. So again, the adapter. It's pretty good. Definitely don't regret buying it. As you can see, the lens makes the same exact sound, so again, this is another test with the Sigma 8 to 16 Ultrawide. This one has quite a terrible aperture. It goes down to 3.5 from memory. So that's the Sigma 8 to 16 focusing. It's a lot quieter. So that pretty much wraps it up. It's pretty quick. I'm not an expert, obviously, but I have been using this for a while. I'll put some videos up in the description of actual footage captured with this lens combo and this lens mount. It's definitely worth the money. And the little attachment at the bottom for the adapter is handy. Yeah, otherwise, no issues at all. I haven't tried to update the firmware using the port. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I haven't tried updating using the port down here yet, but don't seem to need to have to. So far, so good. Anyway, if you have any more questions, just ask in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.